Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Saturday. It's about 6:47 right now, and I am gym ready right now. Hello. I'm gym ready right now because Kyle's supposed to be coming home at around 7 o'clock. So we should be going to the gym. Like I said, I'm back in the gym. Hopefully that stays that way. I am kind of excited because today my sister, who is my maid of honor, told me that she booked my bachelorette weekend, so that's gonna be excited. So I definitely have to work out for that. I've really lost my focus and my motivation to go to the gym. So hopefully, this can bring it back. So just stepped on my garbage. So there is something that I do kind of want to vent about. So I ended up getting an email from YouTube, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know about this already, but YouTube sent me an email saying that because there's a lot of people, long story short, because there is a lot of people that are abusing channels and things like that, and they come out with things that are really not good, and they're making money off of it because they're monetizing their videos. Basically, that's what I got from the email. Because of that, they're now increasing what you need to have, kind of like a checklist, in order to monetize your videos. So unfortunately, for smaller channels like mine, I can no longer monetize my videos, which kind of sucks because I was really proud of that. I worked really hard to get my channel up and running, and I mean, I'm still gonna do my channel. I've gone through a lot of struggles with YouTube getting my channel up and running, and I've been on YouTube now for about 2.5 years, and it's been a struggle. It's not easy to do it, and if you have a channel, you know what I'm talking about. It's not easy keeping up with your channel consistently every single week, especially for people who post multiple times a week. It's hard. So, I just felt like I got knocked back again, so it just kind of sucks, and I was like, I needed to vent about that. But hopefully, I'm just going to keep working hard, and hopefully I'll make it to their criteria, and I'll be able to monetize my videos again. So that kind of sucks. So if you're going through the same thing, keep your head up. We will make it. I'm gonna just wait for Kyle to come home. We're gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna eat a little dinner. See you guys later. Hey guys, we are at the movies.
Movie.
What are we seeing again? What's the name of it? Oh, Den of Thieves.
Den of Thieves.
Why are we so hyped to go watch this movie?
Because it's the hottest movie of the winter, you know what I'm saying?
No,
it's got all the hottest actors. Gerard Butler. Oh, I'm sorry.
Excuse me. All up in my ear. Why are we so hyped to watch this? Is somebody in it?
Gerard Butler, 50 Cent, and Ice Cube.
Oh, 50 Cent. Who's that? That's the guy in the front picture, right? Yes, I know who you're talking about. P.S. I Love You, that movie.
The Ugly Truth.
We're here with Jesse. Just like that. Jesse, Tony's here, and my sister's here with her fiance Marcus, but I think Marcus went to the bathroom.
You're right there.
Oh. Nah, he right here. Movie was long.
Movie was lit. Movie was lit. Go see it in theaters.
Movie
Don't wait
really
for it
good.
on DVD or Fire Stick.
It was really good, eventful. What else?
But even go see it. Go see it.
We're not going to spoil it.
Do
but
it.
it was really, really good.
Do
It had
it.
me at the edge of my seat. It was long. It was like
Do it.
2.5 hours long. I was surprised.
Go see it.
But it was worth it.
Definitely worth it.
All right, now to dinner. To you guys for you to try, because I made it at Olive Garden. Eating. This is what I always get. I always get salad, no dressing, olive oil and vinegar, and no croutons. Did your stomach bother you? Minestrone soup.
I tasted
the heavenly breadsticks. Bomb. Let's wait and see how long it takes.
Huh?
Oh no, he heard me. Never mind. I was just gonna sit here and wait.
Why are you watching me struggle with this napkin?
Does anyone have the salt? Anybody have grape and
Let's wait on Jessica.
Anybody have the grape and
Oh my god. It just was like I was touching Jessica's chin like this.
No, it wasn't coming out, but I was.
This is what I have at the house, but it doesn't have a grinder attached to it. So how the hell am I'm gonna cook with it, obviously, right? In like soup, something that it can dissolve. Why don't you just pick up a grinder? These are big pieces of salt. I know, but that's what I got. It came with like my spice rack.
Salt. I didn't know there was a W in salt.
Salt. In Australia, we use salt.
It's all up now. It's all up.
Oh my god.
We use salt.
Oh my god. This is all that.
That's it? That was your debut? Okay.
Yeah.
15 seconds. That's all he gets. 15 seconds of fame. That's it.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm kind of whispering a little bit because it's 6:30 in the morning and Kyle is still sleeping. But I was getting ready for work. And tragedy just struck this morning. I opened up my Tarte blush and this is what happened. What the heck? I'm gonna try to get it back in there as best as I can, so let's cross our fingers. Alright, I got most of it in there. Excuse my nails. They're looking disgusting right now. But I'm just gonna like press it. I'm gonna press it and see if that helps any. This is some bullshit. Like, what the heck? Alright, I saw a trick somewhere where you put alcohol and then you press it because you gotta make it wet in order for it to stick again. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna turn to my Mario Badescu. I feel like I'm killing myself right now. This is terrible. I'm really about to just throw this out. Tarte, you've let me down. Yeah, nah. This shit is dead. Really? Look at my life. It's Tuesday and this is what I'm doing. Hey guys, so I am filming today for the first time in the apartment. So sneak peek back there. Filming for the first time today in the apartment, so it was really kind of weird because I had to learn a lot about how I'm sitting, how the lighting is going to work, how long I have the lighting for, all that type of stuff. So it was like really weird. But this was the aftermath so far. And this is me like halfway cleaned up. Like, it's always a mess after I film. So what did I film today? I filmed the Mix Your Foundation Together challenge. So if you're interested in seeing how this wears, catch my video. I will link it down below. And then I also filmed my first impressions on a palette from Too Faced. Look at my hair. Dude, what the heck? It's so long at this point that it just does whatever it wants. No matter what I do or how I style it, it just does what it wants. I honestly cannot wait to cut my hair. I love long hair, but it is so hard to keep up with it, to do it every single day. It's terrible. It's terrible. Just thought I'd show you my filming disasters. I didn't get anything on my rug, so that's a plus. And yeah, at least I have videos to edit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna edit a video, and I have to eat because I haven't eaten all day. And maybe watch some Impractical Jokers. I am obsessed with that show. I don't know if you guys know that show, but I'm obsessed with it, and that's all I wanna watch. That and The Carbonaro Effect. I have to be on one of those shows before I die. And I'll just pretend, like I'll go along. Like I don't know that I'm on the show, but I will. And I have to meet them at least once before I die. All right, I gotta go. I am gonna let you guys go for now. And I don't know if I have enough footage to cut out this vlog. I might. So if I do, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.